Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Mastering Django with hands-on by developing a web application. In this course, we will discuss about explore the fundamentals of Django, understand how to manage URLs and views in Django, dive into Django's ORM system allowing seamless interaction with databases, learn how Django manages user sessions, learn to build an e-commerce platform. Let me quickly jump through the course description. Course designed to equip learners with the knowledge and skills needed to develop a powerful web application using Django framework. Throughout the course, the participants will embark on a journey from understanding the basics of Django to building a fully functional e-commerce shopping portal. The course begins with an introduction to Django, and moving forward, participants will delve into the Django URLs and views. The course then progresses to Django database operations, where learners will discover Django's object relational mapping system, that is ORM. Session management is another crucial topic covered in this course. The course culminates in a practical case study, that is e-commerce shopping portal. Now, let's see the target audience of this course, that is web developers and programmers, software engineers, Python developers, beginners or students. Now, let's discuss about what are the prerequisites of this course. Understanding of Python, basic understanding of frameworks, basic SQL knowledge, basic understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then, let's go through the lessons of this course. Lesson 1, Introduction to Django. Lesson 2, Django URLs and views. Lesson 3, Django database operations. Lesson 4, Session Management. And finally, Lesson 5, Case Study, E-commerce Shopping Portal. So, these are the practice lessons of this course. Practice 1-1, Installing and configuring Django development environment. Practice 1-2, Creating Django project and app. Practice 2-1, Working with forms using Django. Practice 2-2, Sending email notifications from forms. Practice 2-3, Weather Forecast API Invoker. Practice 3-1, Create a database and establish connection with the database. Practice 3-2, Perform CRUD operation using Django ORM. Practice 4-1, Creating or handling user sessions and authentication tokens. Practice 4-2, Creating a simple multi-user web application. And finally, practice 5-1, Case study, that is e-commerce shopping portal using Django. To summarize, in this video, we have discussed about detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, lessons of this course schedule, practices in the course to do the activities.